Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to build VLOOKUP in Excel. This is very important function that's used to match your selection by all data that connect with this selection. For example, I need to select Jack. And Jack, I have ID number and I have cell phone, I have evaluation work. For example, I'm just need to get Jack. After that, I need to get information. I have no time to see what information he had. But here, I can select exactly what I want in order to evaluate this person regarding my project. Now, this evaluation going to start from 1 to 3. 1 means uh, good, 2 means very good, and 3 means professional. Now for this one, for example, I need to evaluate this one using go to insert. Then I need go to home and I need to go to conditional formatting. After that, I need to select, for example, this one that showed me the colors, for example, who has the highest rank and who has the medium or lowest rank. Now, based on this, I'm going to build my evaluation. And also, if I need to create table to be more nice, then I need to click in the name with the start of the table. Then I need to select Control T. After I select Control T, he's going to ask me, does your table has headers? I'm going to say yes. Then he's going to consider the headers in the table building. I'm going to say, okay, now everything going to be okay. Now here, I'm going to start build my VLOOKUP function. For example, if I said VLOOKUP, now he's going to ask me lookup value. What lookup value that you want? When I hit this, now VLOOKUP automatically going to select the first one. This what Excel built regarding this algorithm. If I said I cannot consider this or this or this, it's going to hit the first one just when I select the empty one. Now, when I go to table array, what table array here, I need to include all the table in the Excel sheet. All the table in the Excel sheet. Why? Because sometimes by change from name to name, I have change in the cells. Why? Because I have limit. But here I remove the limit here and I include all the table sheet here. After that, you're going to ask me which column index. Which column index, for example, in this table, I have, this is the first column, second, third, fourth. Then I have four columns. Now I need to hit the second one that represent the ID number. Then I'm going to say 2. After say 2, he going to ask me, do you want exact match or approximate match? Now I'm looking for exact match because my table is very small and also is easy to find it, my match data. Then I'm going to say false, that exact match. When I hit enter, now I have no value, because here I have what I selected. And this I4, then I'm going to select, I'm going to say this one. Then I need to go to I4, for example, and say, for example, gel. Just say gel. Then I have in gel, I have 388. But here I'm interested to collect all information data. Now for my this selection, I need to consider this very well. I need to clarify it. Then I need to build my table for this one, all borders. Then I need to include this inside the color. Now everything clear enough with me. Now I need to consider other data using the VLOOKUP. Now VLOOKUP. Now which value that I need right now? Same one, because I need to include the name. Then he's gonna ask me table array, all my table here. After that, he's going to ask me which column index number. Now I have this first one, second one selected. Then I need to select the phone number. Then I'm going to say 3. After that exact match, I'm going to select false. Okay. Then I have another data provided for my selection. Then I'm going to select another VLOOKUP to include my all data in my table. Then I'm going to say lookup for which value. I'm going to consider this one. Then table array, all this table. After that, he's going to ask me about which column index. This is the fourth one. Then I'm going to write down 4, just 4. Then true or exact match. Then I'm going to say false exact match. This means this name must be matched with the right one in the same row. Okay, now I'm going to say false. Then everything now connected. Now, for example, I'm going to ask Jack information. I need Jack information. Now my function gonna go to this table and find it all the information that match with Jack with the exact match. When I say Jack, now I have all information about Jack. Jack has the evaluation good, and Jack has ID number 188, and Jack has this phone number. For example, if I select Robert, then I'm gonna go to Robert, then hit enter. Now Robert has 3 and has phone number and 366 the ID number. For example, if I select another person, for example, Tony, and hit enter. Now Tony has 427. But if I select only Tone, I didn't add Tony. I didn't add Y, last letter. What's going to happen? No data. Why? Because I need to select exact name here because this consider in this data. Now I'm going to say Tony. Now everything works very well. This is how VLOOKUP function work. If you have any question or you have any comment, just write that in comment below my video on YouTube. And if you have any question regarding anything, just please send me your questions and I'm gonna answer your question as soon as get it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.